Did you know earthworms are nature's underground superheroes? Let's dive into their fascinating lives. Earthworms are amazing creatures. They've got no eyes, ears, or lungs. But boy, do they play a vital role in our ecosystem. These wiggly wonders are nature's gardeners. As they burrow, they aerate the soil, making it easier for water and nutrients to reach plant roots. And talk about composting pros. Earthworms munch on dead plants and animals, turning them into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Fun fact, there can be more earthworms in an acre of land than people in a small city. They're everywhere. Their castings, or poop, are packed with nutrients that help plants grow big and strong. And guess what? Earthworms are a crucial part of the food chain, providing a tasty snack for birds, mammals, and amphibians. They even breathe through their skin, which is why you often spot them after it rains. With a unique digestive system that breaks down tough plant material, earthworms keep our soil healthy and fertile. From forests to gardens, these humble heroes are essential for the health of our planet. Earthworms have a specialized digestive system that allows them to break down organic matter efficiently. They consume soil and organic material, grinding it up in their gizzard. This process not only recycles nutrients, but also improves soil structure, making it more porous and better at retaining moisture. By breaking down organic matter, earthworms create a rich, fertile environment that supports plant growth and enhances soil health. Their activity helps to reduce soil compaction, allowing roots to penetrate deeper and access essential nutrients. Want to learn more about these incredible creatures? Check out the links below and discover how you can support soil health and conservation. Thanks for watching. Respect the worm.